Opportunity.
Thank you so much, Eva. It was really fascinating listening to you, and I'm sure everybody enjoyed your presentation. Thank you.
Thank you.
Our next guest is Eyal Zehavi, and he'll be giving us feedback on what's happening on the other side of the Atlantic, and across the Mediterranean, Israel. Thank you, Eyal. The floor is yours.
Yes, hello everybody. Very glad and excited to be here. My name is Eyal. I'm Air Taxi Israel CEO and founder. Private pilot, drone pilot. I've been chief engineer for the UAV industry for many years. Master's in computer science, and I had the privilege and the honor of chairing the board of liaisons board for the past few months. I'll be talking a little bit about the Israeli advanced air mobility local market. So some milestones. We have quite a few manufacturers. One of them is an eVTOL manufacturer named Air EV, a company specializing in building a two-seater, and recently opened a new 32,000 square foot manufacturing facility in Israel. Designed to support production of both uncrewed cargo eVTOLs and the two-seated pilot model, capable of assembling up to 100 aircrafts per year for the price of approximately $250,000. Another local manufacturer of delivery drones called Flytrex received recently from the FAA approval to operate drones beyond visual line of sight for delivery services, together with their local partner, Cozy Aviation Unmanned. This approval, which is one of the most advanced regulatory approvals to date, allows them to scale their delivery operations, including food, other goods, without the need for visual observers. And it follows Cozy's Part 135 certification, which enables Flytrex and them to expand their drone operations, say, nationwide. Continuing our local drone initiative, which is a consortium for the local transport ministry, the Civil Aviation Authority, and the Innovation Authority, funding local projects for AAM for around $20 million to date. So now issued the third call for proposal, focusing this time on commercialization in a project in AAM. Another initiative by the government is the writing of a national policy document for vertiports, which I'm happy to say we are part of the leading team to write this document, which will guide the industry on how to get ready and build infrastructure for the AAM market. Two local manufacturers of UTM, Highlander and Airways, they are internationally leading, and the flight regulations being drafted now by the Israeli Civil Aviation Authority in collaborations with companies and expected to come into effect next year. Public sentiment growing bigger in Israel. We see key municipalities issue call for proposal on AAM related projects. Cities like Herzliya and Tel Aviv, which are one of the biggest cities in Israel, look for a AAM project, look for building vertiports in business parks, and writing strategic plans for the city and for the municipality. Also growing interest from the local industry. Our international airport is looking for planning vertiport within its limits. We see local entrepreneurs, residential buildings looking to examine building vertiports on rooftops, and also some strong local players looking into importing eVTOLs for the local market. We have some interesting drone events in Israel. One of them is UVID, is Israel premier conference on unmanned systems, especially drones. It's been held annually since 2012, growing into one of the world's largest drone technology gathering with tens of thousands of attendees. It brings together leaders from civil, commercial, academic sector to discuss innovation, autonomy, AI, swarming, urban air mobility, counter-UAS, drone regulation, etc. It is scheduled this year for November 27 in Tel Aviv, and is followed by live demonstration in the south. We have a national test site vertiport in Yerushalayim, so we'll have some demonstrations there. And another conference, international conference focused on unmanned and remote autonomous vehicles to be held in February 2026. Conclusion, in Israel, we have a very strong national support from the government and strong initiative which provides sandbox for local projects. We see rising municipal and commercial interest, and we see our local ecosystem as very natural for early adoption for AM, based on many, many decades of leading UAS development and ecosystem, a community very open for innovation, and geographically heavy traffic, short distance. A few words about ATI. We perform research and consulting, leading vertiports planning based on our proprietary simulations developed within the company. And as I said, very happy to be here, and thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, Eyal. And it was really quite a packed presentation, and we enjoyed it. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now we're going to move to back across the Atlantic, right down to the south of South America, Argentina. Welcome, Diego.
Hello, how you doing? Thank you for this.
Thank you.
Well,